Hey guys, it's Mike Avid, and we are at my drum studio here in LA, and today I'm going to be recording my drums through the Pro Tools Carbon interface. Now this is a super easy interface to use. It just has an Ethernet connection, so you can get an adapter if you need and plug it Thunderbolt into your computer. As soon as you plug it in, Pro Tools reads it, it's all there, all the inputs and outputs come up. It's got 4 headphone mixes in the front, which is really great. You've got 8 pre's in the back, you got some line-ins in the front. You've also got some analog in and out DB25 options if you want to add some extra stuff to it, and also you've got ADAT if you want to expand it. Now the coolest thing about this unit is that you can record in real time with DSP plugins, so things that you would usually use, they give you some latency, that's not there anymore, so you can record down with EQs and compressors and all sorts of effects. And you'll see in Pro Tools, you get these little Thunderbolt logos that come up above the faders, which is to turn the DSP on and off. It sounds super great. So what I'm gonna do is show you my process of what I would usually do in the analog realm, but with everything DSP through the Carbon. So I'm gonna do kick drum, snare drum, toms, overheads, and a mono mic just in front of the kit. And I'm gonna add in some DSP effects, some EQ and compression. Then I'm gonna play along to a little track just so you can hear it in context. So let's check that out. Cool, so I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of what I've got plugged in. I'm using some Coles for the overheads in a Glyn Johns setup. And I'm using some 421s on the toms. And on the snare drum, I've got 2 snare mics. One's a vintage D19 and the other one's a 451 that's kind of a little bit back from the drum, really just kind of pointing at the shell, which gives more of a body. So that's the entire sound, and everything is going straight into the Pro Tools Carbon interface and recording into my laptop in real time with the DSP plugins. As a session drummer that's also a producer, it's really important for me to be able to get the correct vibe when I'm tracking. With Pro Tools Carbon, I have the ultra low latency of the DSPs and the bundled plugins, which allows me to get that analog feel going in. And most importantly, the interface just sounds amazing.